Welcome to Hiossen Production, located in Fairless Hills, Pennsylvania, just outside of Philadelphia. We're happy to present to you our fully integrated production system. We handle all the raw products, finished products, all locally, under the strictest and highest qualities possible. We grew the business from 2.5 million to 7 million, and to meet this demand, we've expanded our facility 1.5 times the previous building.
Hi, my name is Joan. I work for Hiossen in Pennsylvania. I have been here for 18 years. We try and make our implants so they're affordable for everyone to use. Our doctors and all of our patients have been very happy with our product. They make everyone smile.
Hi, my name is Kyle. I'm the CNC supervisor here at Hiossen Manufacturing. I started working for Hiossen in 2011, almost 15 years. And since that time, I've seen a huge amount of growth with the company. I started in marketing and then transferred here about 7 years ago. And my time in CNC has showed me just how tight the tolerances are for our products and how many products we're making. So here our production facility is located just outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. All of our products are manufactured and made in the USA using incredibly tight tolerances. It's from start to beginning, so from raw material, the products are made and all the way up to the finished product and then shipped out to our varying branches and globally.